Describe an occasion when you heard someone complaining about something in a restaurant, store, or other business places.
Woohoo! It's time to learn follow-up questions.
How do companies train their staff to deal with complaints?
Companies undertake several activities to train their staff in managing complaints effectively. Initially, they equip employees with comprehensive knowledge about the products they handle, ensuring they are well-versed in product specifications. This approach minimizes their hesitation when assisting customers. Furthermore, companies invest in enhancing their employees' communication skills. They organize seminars on a weekly basis to instruct staff on handling clients in various situations.
What do people usually complain about?
People frequently voice various concerns. Firstly, there are those who express dissatisfaction with employee behavior and unhelpful staff. Secondly, others highlight discrepancies between the company's promises and the actual delivery of services. Additionally, some individuals raise issues about pricing, as they seek comprehensive services within a limited budget.
How do most people complain, in writing or by other methods?
Nowadays, with the widespread familiarity with technology, particularly among the younger generation, individuals often choose to file complaints through official websites or directly contact customer care to voice their concerns about products or services.
How do people often respond to poor customer service?
It varies from individual to individual. While some individuals consider responding to subpar customer service a futile effort and choose to overlook it, others opt to voice their discontent by posting negative reviews on the company's official website. Additionally, there are those who...
How would you react if you received a poor service at a restaurant?
To be honest, I'm the kind of person who avoids creating scenes. Firstly, I'd opt to stop visiting that place. Afterward, I'd write a review on their official website, suggesting areas for improvement to enhance their service.
Who are more likely to make complaints, older people or young people?
Well, I have noticed older people are more likely to complain than younger people. Younger people tend to be more understanding if you make a mistake. Why? Because older folks have more experience with the world, by virtue of having been in it longer.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.